Welcome to our video. I'm going to tell you how to watch Netflix on any Apple CarPlay system in 2025. Here's the truth. Apple doesn't officially allow Netflix on CarPlay, but there are real ways people are doing it. Option 1 is screen mirroring apps like CarPlay Cast. This basically mirrors your iPhone to your car display, and yes, Netflix plays. It's not perfect, but it works. Option 2, wireless CarPlay adapters, like the AutoCast AI box or Play AI box. These turns your infotainment into an Android-powered system, so you can install Netflix directly. No jailbreak needed. Option 3, if you're into tweaking, jailbreak apps like CarBridge or NGX Play can unlock Netflix on CarPlay. Riskier, but still a popular method. And here's what's new. Apple is rolling out AirPlay video support in CarPlay with iOS 26. That means streaming apps, including Netflix, might soon work when the car is parked. So right now, mirroring, adapters, or jailbreaks are your go-to, but the official way is finally coming. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more videos.